Hey guys, Jim from Import Image Racing and welcome back to the channel. On this week's video, we're taking a look at the Noble license plate panel for the VA, VB, Gen 2 BRZ, and GR86. Let's go. When it comes to cool and affordable designs, Noble has you covered, and this is no exception. In front of me today is a smorgasbord of license plate panel options for not only our 2022 WRX, but the 15 to 21 WRXs, 2022 to present BRZ and GR86. If you're looking to add a touch of style or contrast to the back of your car, this is a simple and easy way to do it. No matter which one of the applications you have, you can choose between gloss black or a more aggressive carbon fiber finish. Installation is simple. Just remove your tag, apply a strip of provided 3M tape to the perimeter of the plate, then apply the panel to the car, securing with your factory plate screws. Just like that, we're done and it looks great. If you follow the channel, you'll notice that I recently put one of the gloss black panels onto the back of my VA WRX and I am in love with it. And if you're looking to save even more money than the already great prices, head over to the Import Image website and check out the Build Bucks program. So for more products like this and this over here, be sure to hit up importimageracing.com for all of the best deals on the web and in the world, and we'll catch you on the next one.